Hear, Luna? What'd you hear? Did you hear the birdies? What you hearing? What did she hear? What you watching? What you hearing? What you hearing? What's she hearing? You listen to the birdies outside? Is she? You're a good girl. Is it bath time, Can? Is it? Is it bath time? What you listening to, Luna? Well, Luna's enjoying that, isn't she? You Can's a good boy? Is it? He's up to... Oh, you've got fed up with that, Henny. You got your bubbles. You got your bubbles. You got fed up listening to the birdies. You having a clean time. Is it bath time? Is it bath time?